They sound almost identical, but mixing them up is a heavy mistake. One describes a dusty fact. The other describes a moment that shook the world. Think of historical as a neutral label. If it happened in the past, it's historical. A historical document, a historical costume. It doesn't have to be important. It just has to be old. Your grocery receipt from 10 years ago is a historical record, but nobody is going to build a monument for it. But historic? That's reserved for the heavyweights. A historic moment is something that changed the course of humanity. It's a turning point. If people will still be talking about it in a century because it shifted the world, it's historic. One is about when it happened. The other is about why it mattered. Historical is the timeline. Historic is the headline. Next time you describe an event, ask yourself, is it just part of the past, or is it making the future? Words define our legacy. Choose yours wisely.